Hello everybody, my name is KITTEN or KOOKIE, and in today's video I am being joined by... Hey, let me tell him say his name. Your name in chat. You should probably see his name already, guys. He's joining me in today's video. Yep, his name is N33. A link to his channel will be in the description tomorrow. If you guys want to go check it out, I'm gonna ask him if he wants to go mining. Go mining. M-I-N-I-N-G. Let's see if he wants to go mining, guys. Okay. Make M-A-K-E. I will make you a pick. I'm gonna turn on my volume real quick, guys. Okay, guys, DD Jock has come to see that N33 has joined me. This is N33 is awesome. Okay, I did my hair and I forgot to brush it for one day and I'm really done. I'm gonna just make him a pit, guys. She's crying. Poor wolf. Poor wolf. Okay, DD Duck. Let me just make that for him. Go like this and do that. H-E-R-E. Pass him that. Okay, let's go. I know where our cave is. If you'd like to follow me, I think the torches are under the couch. Yep. Give him half the torches.
Actually, Epic. Can I join?
If you want to. Okay, guys. D-Wolf Gaming will also be joining us if she's able to, because we are on Minecraft Kitty's realm. That was dear utter silence.
Huh?
That was like when you just like went dear utter silence. Am I even wearing my armor? Oh, yeah, I am.
I went into complete silence because I don't know what you mean. Like, does that mean that...
I don't know if you'll be able to join us or not.
I'm just saying...
Let me tell him to follow me.
On Minecraft Kitty's realm. Will it pop up? Will it pop up on the multiplayer thing that says that you're on it?
I do not know, D-Wolf. I'll just call you Wolf. Yeah, we have a D-Wolf Gaming in the Bum Squad Wolf Pack. And we have Wolf Hunter in the Bum Squad Normal Pack. Oh, that actually makes us...
And actually...
Don't tell him what I'm saying, guys.
What?
Shush.
I'll be back.
There we go. Let's see what his response is. Is that you, D-Wolf?
Huh?
Is that you, D-Wolf? I said, is that you, D-Wolf? And just so you know, guys, D-Wolf will be uploading soon, probably about N33. This way.
And Minecraft Kitty did a...
Yeah, I know, a live stream. That's how me and N33 met. He's been I think he's been a subscriber of mine. I don't honestly know.
Now just uploading at 4 p.m. That they're real parents.
Okay, hopefully he starts to mine. I think he's like mining on top of me.
Minecraft Kitty for live stream.
Only one more to go. Duel.
Oh wait, I put 379, but my password isn't that anymore. I already forget my password. Here. Oops.
You go down. I'll go.
It is a good thing, guys. So,
how long has it been?
on my settings, I knew very smart to, because we were messing around with my settings one day, and he remembered that you could put never on for my password.
Yeah, because Emerald may have locked her out for 40 years.
49 years. 46 I mean. 46 years, so
I was like, Emerald, how the freak did you do that?
Yeah, because I left him alone with it for 5 minutes.
I'm gonna move this up here for guys. I'm gonna turn
Right,
on.
Epic, I left him alone with it for 5 minutes, and then he walks me out.
Hey guys! Just want to turn that on. Face cam. And we put that up here. Get these out. I don't know why I'm getting those out. But I'm just gonna go.
Yeah,
Boing.
I might have to download my Cookie film.
You can't download it.
How do I get it then?
She sent you an invite. That's her N33 and I got it.
Oh, can you ask her to send me an invite?
I don't know. It's been 7 minutes.
Huh?
I'm gonna go up and start going this way, guys.
Can you ask her? Is she even on the realm?
No. She doesn't even know how we're on it, to be honest.
How are you on it?
She was like, in her live, she was like, how the heck did you guys get on my realm faster than me? Literally. Okay, he's still going down. Maybe I can get some more coal. I'm just crouching at him.
Crafting at him?
Crouching.
Oh, crouching. You said crafting. You said crafting at him.
Crouching at him, I said.
Yeah, but at first you said crouching.
And you please say,
Guys, I'm not able to join Minecraft Kitty's realm, so I will just go on to my own world. Oh, and guys, I don't know if Epic mentioned this, but if you guys want to get new things for Minecraft PE, search on App Store, MC.
Toolbox for Minecraft PE.
No.
It's called Toolbox. You can either get the toolbox.
But what helps for me in Epic is these 4 letters that I'm about to say are all capital.
ADDONS. That's 5 letters.
No.
ADDONS. 6. MCPE.
Okay, but these, MCP are all capital, and then space, capital A, add-on.
No, it's just add-ons for Minecraft PE.
But it says MCP add-on.
I'm coming down right to him. I'm just gonna be like.
It actually works really well, but Epic here won't show me how to turn them on. I've only ever been able to...
I'm like right next to him.
Can you please show me how to turn them on?
I'm still gonna tap a tunnel down here just to come up right next to him. Let me tell him that's okay.
Alright guys, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I just searched Who's Your Daddy map.
He just turned and looked at me and he's like, Okay, let me
Guiding maps are
just.
gonna work. I just searched YouTube
Hi
guiding
again.
maps, and you have no idea what popped up. A Five Nights at Freddy's Trilo.
I guess everything has a yellow battery. How long has it been?
Epic jump map. I know it's not from me. It says epic jump map. First.
Hang on.
I mean V2. It doesn't say. The only add-on that I've ever been able to turn on is the robot horse add-on. Cause somebody here won't help show me how.
That's me.
I think they know. Super Mario 64 map. Sweet. I'm gonna need Epic here to show me how to turn it on.
Nah, you won't. I think I won't. Okay, just told him I'm gonna enter.
Ninja Warrior popcorn map.
American Ninja Warrior. I love that movie.
We love that show.
Yep, you heard him, folks. Bye, YouTube. That's what he said. We have to see you all in the next video, guys. We're just gonna call this Cookie Kitten Realm Survival with N33. And we'll see you all in the next video. We love y'all. Goodbye.
Bye.